Well, the bridge here at Grizzly Lodge stayed intact, but you can see behind it that it completely washed out all the dirt and rocks from behind the bridge, so the bridge is closed. Wow. Can you imagine coming across this? Wow, that is all washed out. So I guess I just have to fill this back in and then this will be good to go. I wonder if the lodge flooded at all. Looks like the water was just coming straight through here. I can show you guys a video my uncle took when he was here. This was flooding. So here's the bridge that usually goes across this little stream. We're gonna hike up to the waterfall right here. But check this out, the flooding pretty much destroyed part of the bridge. So now you have to drive through the river. And check out what it did to the speed limit sign. Crazy. So anyway, we're gonna be hiking up to a waterfall that's like just right up this way. Well, you can't even tell where the trail is or was because of all the flooding. So there is just tons of trees now, downed trees all along the river. Wow. Look at how many trees have fallen down. All this, all the roots. This is where the river used to just come straight down. Look at this. It's washed out way over to here. It's crazy. Down to all these trees. Well, we're gonna have to try to skirt along here to get up to the waterfall, because we used to just go like right along a trail right here, super easy. This is so crazy how different it looks now. They're trying to figure out how to get through there. I came up this way. And we're almost to the waterfall. We just gotta go through this rock wall pretty much. They've wisely decided to go back. I'm journeying on. Wow. I was gonna stand under that waterfall. I've done it before, but I don't think I'm doing it today. That is crazy. Look at this piece of ice. Right behind the waterfall. So I'm trying to remember if I've ever seen the waterfall this raging before. I think I have, but it was pretty early in the springtime. This is like July 6th, I think is the date. It's usually not that big. It's a pretty small waterfall. Towards the end of the season, it's almost like a trickle. I can't imagine how it must have looked during the flooding. Would have been crazy. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, goodbye waterfall. We tried.
You don't want to go through the river. You get all wet.
Easy peasy. All right, it's 7 p.m. and I'm driving back up to Beartooth Pass. I figure all the construction workers will have gone home by now, and probably a lot of the tourists too. Evening might be an interesting time to see if there's any bears or other things out on the road. I just passed a deer. Oh, we're going over the washed out part of the road from when the floods came through here. Alright, let's go. Look at it. Looks stormy too. Oh, here's my bowl of candy as well. Candy and Doritos. I just saw a huge lightning bolt. It'd be so cool if I could capture one on camera. Oh, we might run into a big storm. That would be fun. Sweet, Wilbur's Barnacles. It is coming down now. Oh, there was one. Check that out, you guys. That's Pilot's Peak right there. It looks so much cooler in real life. Like, this is just washing out all the light, but it's like, I've never seen anything like this. Look at those rays of light coming through there. Oh, and that lightning. Awesome. Awesome. Still raining. Well, it's pretty dark, but I found myself another grizzly bear up on that hill that I said looked like it'd be a good place for a grizzly bear this morning. Looks like a nice grizzly spot. That looks like the same grizzly bear, doesn't it? That we filmed this morning. Might be. I'm pretty confident it is, actually. I think he's smelling me now. Sorry, I'm zoomed in so high, or so far. Check this out, he was way up on the hill. So I'm over here in the car, in the rain, in this lighting with handheld. This isn't gonna be great. Especially with this low light. Look at him going through those flowers. That is awesome. Figured out how to make the seat in front of me into a little makeshift almost tripod. I think I'm still wiggling it too much. Alright, well, unless he moves and goes somewhere else. This is kind of boring. He's just digging in that one spot. You can't even see his face. He's way farther away than he was this morning, too. I saw the lightning go off right above my head, so I hurried and turned on the camera. So you can see the trail that comes right along here. Look at all this that washed up during the floods. The river was coming up way over that whole bank up into here. What'd you call this? Driftwood? Flotsam and jetsam? I think I'm going to sit here and see if we got a sunset, or we get a sunset tonight. Do you like having my car right there? I think there was lightning just now, but I don't think the camera picked it up.